going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Dade City, Florida. We're here for a commercial cleaning. We're gonna be doing this barn behind me. We got two of them. One here, woo, lightning, and one over there. We gotta watch out for this lightning. We got here about an hour ago, and we've been waiting for this to pass. It's just stopped raining, but the lightning is about 10 miles away from here. But we're gonna be doing the building as well as all the concrete around the building as well. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, and hit the bell for new content. So like I said, we're gonna be doing this building here. This is a painting building. It's hard to see now, but it was really dusty before the rain came this morning, came down. But we're gonna go ahead and just downstream, not downstream, I'm gonna use the P40 with a 1% mix to get this cleaned up. We're gonna surface clean all this here. This is newer concrete. This is about a year old, so we're not gonna surface clean this part. We're just gonna soft wash this part here. All this right here can be surface clean. So I'm gonna have Kai do that for me. That's my boy Kai. He plays ball with me. So we're gonna knock that out together. And then when we get to the other building, I'll show you guys that. You guys, I just got done spraying this section here up to this end. I'm not gonna spray the SH on this wood. I'm not sure what the reaction is gonna be, so I don't want to risk it. So we're not gonna spray it on there. I'm gonna continue going down. It's not too hot. Just got done raining, so I don't have to worry about the SH drying on the metal building. This side right here is pretty bad. You guys can see some algae growing up right here. So that's gonna be definitely a good transformation, as well as on this I don't know what this is, this white part. It has algae on it. Y'all see, I'm only using a 1% mix on here. I'm not going too hot. No need to. Let that sit and dwell, and we'll rinse from here going back the other way. And probably put a post treatment on here for Kai as well. He's almost done with this side here. You guys can see the path he just made. Coming out pretty good. Like I say, under here, I was just gonna rinse it. I'm not gonna put no water. I'm not gonna put no SH under here. Just gonna rinse this up. I think tomorrow, they're supposed to have somebody come to tint the windows tomorrow. Definitely don't want to leave no kind of residue on here. Everything has to be rinsed off properly. We're gonna go ahead and rinse this backside here. That'll give us half of the building done. Kai helped me rinse the front, so that's good to go. I had sprayed this little tank too. Got that cleaned up. Kind of glad it's not hot out here today too, and it's, you know, had that rain, because when you're doing a metal building, you definitely don't want it to be hot and the solution is drying on the surface. It's not good, man. So picked a good day, I guess, even though we had to wait, an hour or so before we could start working. All right, look like Kai is starting to rinse. I'm gonna come from this way, start rinsing everything that he had cleaned over here. Teamwork, man, teamwork. Right, the rain is coming back a little bit. Got a little sprinkle coming down. I think on Wednesday of this week they were supposed to be having some kind of event over here. It's like a cattle farm. So I'm not sure what they do here, but supposed to have some kind of event in here. They just poured this asphalt too, and good thing it rained, so any mix that get on here will be diluted down, which, we're rinsing this off pretty well, so it's gonna get diluted down anyway, so It's not gonna affect it. It's just too weak of a mix to affect the asphalt. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other half of the building. So I'm gonna start from this section here. Down here, just a bunch of dirt at the bottom. Same thing in the back. A lot of dirt. See that dirt ring all the way up to the end. So we're gonna get that done. Kai's gonna start on the concrete underneath this other part over here. I'll put you guys on him as I'm doing this side here.
This is easy.
All right, Kai is finishing up there at the front. Go ahead and rinse off the back of this second building. Had the same thing as the other one, a lot of dirt from the splash at the bottom. I think we're almost done because all the concrete is done in front of this building here. All we gotta do is wash the wall in the front, rinse it up. We're gonna rinse everything all at once. Then we're gonna rinse the floor, and then that would be it. Alright, we up front now. I'm gonna rinse this wall down. Kai had downstreamed it for me. So you just gotta rinse everything down. And then we'll rinse the ground. He's already done the ground. Hey Kai, pull my hose for me please so I can reach down there. Y'all, we're on the last side of the building. Like I said, we're gonna downstream it. It's not a lot of algae on this. It just makes mostly the bottom part where the dirt splashes on there and the grass sticks to the building. We've already rinsed the whole entire thing. This is the last side. And this back side is good to go. It's good to go. Hey, let her go, let her, because the overspray going over there, let her finish. All right, you guys, we are finished with this job here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Taking them out? Nah, I'm good, thanks. This is the front here. I think it's good to go. No water spots on the windows like they requested. The inside needs to be clean. Got the concrete done up front. No spots. Got all this area done too right here. Check out that side that had all that algae. Yeah, that's what we want right here. Looking clean. This is the other building. Clean the back of this. Kai did this area under here. Everything is rinsed up under here. Floor is done, it's starting to dry up some. All this right here was soft wash. You didn't surface clean none of this, we just soft washed it. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell. Make sure if you got questions, just ask your questions and answer them to the best that I can. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.